Your brain is leaking, not because you cannot think, but because your thinking is scattered across 10 places. Files everywhere, nothing you can actually reuse. Bookmarks turn into a graveyard. Every Monday you reset decisions you already made. Notes keep growing, while clarity keeps shrinking. Even when AI gives you a great answer, it vanishes into the void, because there is nowhere for it to live. You do not need more tools. You need one place that makes your work still solved. Moving to slide 2. One page, one system. A single source of truth that holds links, files, notes, and decisions together. Here is the rule. If something matters, it lands on one page first. Fast capture, fast reuse. You paste the link, drop the file, jot the thought, and you never wonder where it went. Then you make that same page the place you return to when you act. No app hopping. AI becomes a co-pilot inside the system. Not a vending machine you visit and forget. Ask it to summarize a source into your page, draft an email from your decision, or turn rough notes into a checklist you will actually follow. When everything routes through one hub, your work stops evaporating. Moving to slide 3. The hub's promise is simple. Open one place, decide, then move on. You stop relying on motivation and start relying on repeatable workflows. Less context switching, fewer duplicate documents, clear next actions that survive the week. You are not trying to become a productivity hero. You are building a loop you can run on a bad day and still win. Moving to slide 4. Keep the hub clean by dividing it into 4 core sections. An inbox for raw inputs, a library for proven sources you trust, decisions for commitments you have made, with dates and owners, dashboards for active work you are moving this week, then templates for repeat tasks so you never reinvent the same checklist again. When each item has a home, your system stops turning into a junk drawer. Moving to slide 5. To make this work, your inbox cannot rot. You get one capture location, not 3, not whatever app is open. 1. Every new idea, link, meeting note, screenshot, and AI output goes there. When you capture it, add one label only, like work, personal, health, or admin. Then add a single question you must answer, like what is the next action, or is this worth keeping? That forces processing later. Process on a schedule you can keep, like 10 minutes daily, or 30 minutes twice a week. And delete aggressively. If it is not actionable, not reusable, and not truly meaningful, it does not get promoted. Your inbox stays light, and your library stays earned. Moving to slide 6. Treat your library like a curated shelf, not a dumping ground. Only keep items you will reuse, checklists, playbooks, customer language, proven prompts, and a few references you trust. Version your best sources, so you can say this is the current one, and retire the old one without deleting it. Add short annotations, 1 or 2 lines on why it matters and when to use it, not a full essay. Always link to the primary source, so you can verify details fast. If you want, add a confidence score like high, medium, low, based on how tested or evidence-backed it is. A library like this stays small, searchable, and dependable, and it makes your next decision easier than your last. Moving to slide 7. Notes are passive. Decisions move work. Capture decisions as a compact record you can trust later.
Start with a decision statement you can disagree with, like we will ship onboarding as a guided checklist. Add the reason in one line,
so future you remembers the constraint that mattered. List the options you considered, even if it is just 2, so you do not relitigate the same debate. Put an owner and date on it, because unowned decisions decay. Then set a revisit trigger, like recheck after 200 users, or when pricing changes. That way you do not cling to a choice past its expiration. When you write decisions this way, your system stays aligned, and dashboards can pull directly from reality. Moving to slide 8. Your dashboard is where work becomes obvious. Keep it brutally small. Start with your top 3 active projects, not 10.
Each project gets one line for the current outcome, one line for the current constraint, and a link to the hub page or folder where the real materials live. Under that, maintain a next actions list that is written like you could do it today. Email legal about clause 4. Draft 2 subject lines. If an item takes more than 30 minutes, break it down until it does. Add a section for key files and links. The doc you edit, the spreadsheet you update, the ticket board, the decision log. No hunting. Then a constraints box, time window, budget cap, missing approval, waiting on data, whatever is currently blocking progress. This is where you put the truth. Finally, schedule a weekly review slot right on the dashboard. In that review, you only do 3 things: confirm the top 3 projects, update next actions, and clear anything that no longer deserves attention. A dashboard like this turns awareness into motion, and it gives AI a clean map to follow. Moving to slide 9. AI is only as helpful as your structure. Give it a hub page for each project with context, goal, audience, current status, and links. Use stable labels and fields so retrieval is consistent, like status, owner, due, decision, source. Write short summaries that fit in a few lines, because that is what gets pulled into answers. Keep naming rules consistent, and always attach source links. When structure is steady, AI stops guessing and starts assisting. Moving to slide 10. You can get real leverage from 3 simple AI workflows. First, triage the inbox. Paste new notes or meeting scraps and have AI sort them into tasks, decisions, questions, and references, each with a proposed destination in your system. Second, extract decision candidates. Ask AI to scan a doc or thread and flag places you are implicitly choosing something. Then draft decision statements with options and a revisit trigger. Third, build briefs from sources. Give it links, have it summarize only what is relevant to your goal, and list what is missing. Then use AI to draft reusable templates, like a launch checklist or a support reply, and to spot missing information before you ship. When AI is pointed at clean inputs, you get clean outputs, and one naming rule can keep it clean. Moving to slide 11. Here is the one naming rule that makes your system usable under pressure. Every item gets a date plus a topic, like 2026-07-17, client kickoff. Then you keep each line to one verb, so you can scan intent fast. Draft proposal, book venue, not proposal stuff. No vague titles, because vague titles turn into forgotten work. Add a prefix for type, like note, task, meeting, or file, so sorting is instant. And write it so it is searchable in seconds, using the words you would actually type later. If you do just this, your tools stop being a junk drawer and start behaving like a reliable memory you can trust at the end of a long week. Moving to slide 12. Now you lock it in with a weekly reset ritual. Put 30 to 45 minutes on your calendar and treat it like maintenance, not planning fantasy. Start with inbox to 0 across every capture point you use. Notes, downloads, screenshots, voice memos, email flags. For each item, decide one of 4 actions. Do it now if it is under 2 minutes. Convert it into a named task if it needs work. File it into the right project folder if it is reference, or delete it if it is noise. Then, promote the best items. Pick the few notes, links, and drafts that are genuinely useful, and move them into your main hub so they stop drowning in the backlog. Update dashboards only, meaning you refresh status, due dates, and owners without rewriting the whole plan. Close or pause projects aggressively. If it is not moving in the next 2 weeks, mark it paused and write the condition that wakes it up. Finally, log fresh decisions in one place. We are not doing X. We chose Y. That single habit prevents relitigating the same choices every Monday. Moving to slide 13. Build it in 30 minutes so you actually start. Create one page called Hub and keep it boring. Under that, add 4 sections. First, now, your top 3 outcomes for the week, written as verbs. Second, projects, a short list with a link to each project folder. Third, waiting, anything blocked by someone else, with one line for who and what you are waiting on. Fourth, reference, your most used links, like your calendar, docs folder, and task list. Then link existing folders instead of reorganizing. You are not migrating your life today. You are pointing to where things already live. Add 2 templates only. One for meetings, with headings for decisions, actions, and follow-ups. One for projects, with goal, next action, key files, and a simple status line. Then start capturing immediately into your inbox with the naming rule, and process it during your weekly reset. When your hub stays small and your habits stay consistent, your system becomes something you can run without thinking. Moving to slide 14. Your next move is simple. Pick one messy project that has been draining you. Set up the hub page, link that project folder, and add the 2 templates. Then run one weekly review this weekend and see what gets clearer. Comment your biggest blocker so I can help you troubleshoot it. If you want the next template, subscribe. Automation scales work. Understanding scales decisions.